Forex Trade the News. What are the odds? Here's one of the videos used in the Forex ebook series, Forex Trade the News. What are the odds? Published in the Kindle Books department on Amazon. This ebook is the 8th in the series and documents 3 setups and trades conducted over the last 2 years, along with charts and links to the YouTube videos. There are 3 videos illustrating the setup, progress, and results of the monthly release of the U.S. Existing Home Sales Report. Today's video represents the news report released on Wednesday, September 21st, 2011 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, U.S. This video is a presentation by the blog fundamentalforexblogging.com. Here's my prelim setup for a trade, starting with my market orders, a sell order, and behind it a buy order. Here are the units I am trading. Here is my stop loss. A stop loss is important in cases of a spiked reversal. Early on, my broker spread shown here is small, but may increase just before the news release, which will be shown later in this video. Next is my plan in case there is a surprise to the market. The plan tells me which action to take if the actual report is different from the forecast. Down here is my time. Here are my trigger points. I need to get the news report as soon as possible, so I use the Forex Factory's calendar. They have an actual pending button, which will give me the news report within a minute or two. By refreshing the calendar page, normally about 4 minutes before the report release, the green buttons will appear. With less than a minute to the news release, broker spread is increased to a negative $1.25. It is now time to get the news release. I use the Forex Factory calendar with those news release buttons, those green buttons in the calendar. At times, it takes a few clicks of the actual report buttons to get the report. This time it took only 10 seconds and 2 clicks to get the actual report. In this case, the actual report of 5.03 million came out higher than the forecast of 4.76 million by 270,000, and higher than the trigger point of 9.67 million by 70,000, and it was higher than the previous report of 4.67 million by 360,000. This report was good for the U.S. economy. So I decided I will execute a sell of the euro and buy the US dollar. Broker spread is decreased back to a negative 81 cents. There, I have entered my one and only trade for this report. There is my stop loss line. The market is moving just as I hoped it would. There is some retrace, which is expected. I exited this trade 2 minutes and 48 seconds into the report for a nice scalp win. One of my fears is that the market will not continue to move in the direction the odds say it will. This time the market moved in my favor, for a while anyway. After ranging for 5 minutes, the market continued down about 10 more pips after I had made my exit. Here is a chart showing what happened. This is the chart for the currency pair, the euro versus the US dollar, showing one trade entered during the release of the U.S. existing home sales report on September 21st, 2011 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. This report was good for the U.S. economy, so I entered one sell trade of the euro and buying the U.S. dollar. This is one of 3 good currency pairs for a trade. I was able to exit with a small scalp win. The actual report was favorable for the U.S. economy, and my choice of currency pairs to trade was good. I was trading the currency pair euro versus the U.S. dollar, and I had a small scalp win. I started posting this news release on my blog in July 2009. This video is presented by the Fundamental Forex blog and has been presented in an ebook series titled Forex Trade the News, What Are the Odds?, published in the Amazon Kindle store under the title Trade U.S. Dollar Existing Home Sales Report Month Over Month. Click the link below this video to check additional Forex ebooks I have published on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.